Good morning students. In this video we are going to prove the property of Z transform multiplication of a signal with an exponential sequence. The property is multiplication by an exponential sequence. The statement of this property first I am writing here. If x of n Z transform x of z with ROC or then Z transform of a to the power of x of n is x of z by a with ROC mod a r. This is what the statement of multiplication by a exponential sequence property of Z transform. Here, what is x of z by a? We consider standard Z transform formula x of z, that is n value minus infinity to plus infinity x of n z raised to minus n. Then what is x of z by a means? Replace every z with z by a. In this expression, replace z with z by a. Then x of z by a is equal to here n value minus infinity to plus infinity x of n and z by a to the power of minus n. So what we are going to prove in this property means we take the Z transform of a power n x of n. Finally we should get x of z by a, or we should get this expression. Let us take the Z transform of this left hand side expression here. Z transform of a to the power of n x of n I am considering here. This should be from the standard formula n value minus infinity to plus infinity. In the x of n place we are having a to the power of n x of n multiplied by z raised to minus n. Let us simplify this expression. This is n value minus infinity to plus infinity x of n and a power n and z raised to minus n. I am combining these two variables like this. A inverse z whole to the power of minus n I am writing. That means z raised to minus n and a to the power of minus 1 whole to the power of minus n. That means minus minus plus. It will get a to the power of n again. So we can write these two like this term. Then further what we are doing means n value minus infinity to plus infinity x of n. A inverse means 1 by a I am writing. That means I am getting z by a whole to the power of minus n. So what is this expression means? This one. So this expression is nothing but it is equal to x of z by a. So this is equal to x of z by a. That is what we need the answer, x of z by a, after considering Z transform of this left hand side expression. This is what the property of multiplication of a time domain signal with exponential sequence in Z transform. Thank you.